Hello, budding mathematicians! Welcome to another exciting math lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of multiplication and learn the times table of 3. All right, let's get started. We'll explore the times table of 3 from 3 times 1 to 3 times 10. Are you ready? Let's embark on this multiplication adventure. 3 times 1 equals 3. That's right. 3 times 2 equals 6. You're doing fantastic. 3 times 3 equals 9. Great job. 3 times 4 equals 12. You're math superstars. 3 times 5 equals 15. Amazing. 3 times 6 equals 18. You're rocking this. 3 times 7 equals 21. Excellent. 3 times 8 equals 24. You're unstoppable. 3 times 9 equals 27. You're almost there. 3 times 10 equals 30. Wow, you've mastered the times table of 3. Great job, my little math wizards. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing your times tables. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more math adventures. Until next time, happy multiplying!